everybody, it's Kimberly with Getaway today, and we are checking out the Loews Portofino Bay Resort Hotel here at Universal Orlando Resort in Florida, and it is beautiful, and we wanted to give you a quick room tour so you can see what you would expect to see here when you check in. So right when you check in, there's this coffee station, there's the little glasses, ice bucket, your spot information. This resort is just beautiful. There's so much to see and do, but we'll walk in a little bit further. Here to the right you have the closet. It's really large. I don't know if you can hear it echoing on me, but tons of storage space in there. So this is a deluxe room. It's about 50 square feet larger than the standard rooms. Other than that, it's the same layout. But so if you had a larger family, I would recommend doing something this size. Otherwise, the standard would be just fine. And even then, you'll see how big it is so you can see. So here we're in the bathroom. I love this bathroom. I want it in my house. I'm going to close this so you can see. There's a separate soaking tub, double sink, which is always so nice. Deluxe toiletries, beautiful tile work. And then over there you have a separate shower, toilet, and then these are actual photos of the town of Portofino, which is what this hotel is themed after. And also this is just so cute. So there's a little, I'm gonna climb in the tub just so you can see. This is a little peek out window that locks from the inside so you can close it, but look how fun that is. I can just see my kids having like hours of fun with that. So, and also like full-size mirror, lots of light in here, which is really nice. Okay, now we'll come into the bedroom area. Again, this is the deluxe room here at the Portofino. So this is the double queen room. These rooms also come with one king bed, but they just are beautiful, clean, fresh. I love the lamps here. We'll turn those on so there's just a little more light. There are the outlets by the bed. These rooms will be updated in probably another year or so, and they'll just be like a little bit freshened up. Already it feels really fresh in here. Just if you stay here in like a year or two from this video, when it's made, it might look a little bit different. Over here you have the large flat screen TV, giant storage area, and then this is a mini fridge, which is really nice to have in the room. So especially easy if you have kids. Like I said, this area is really large. So extra square feet, you've got a desk, chairs, sitting area, and then this view is so pretty. This hotel has 3 pools, I believe, and this is a view of one of them. You can see the courtyard. Everything here is just lovely. You're really close to Universal Studios Florida, and of course all the transportation. You can take a water taxi to that park, which is really fun. Lots of fun things to do here. Okay, so now we're outside because we just wanted to show you how beautiful it is out here. This is one of 3 pools here, and I forgot to mention one of the best benefits of staying at the Portofino is that you get unlimited express pass with your Universal Studios tickets for every single day of your stay. If you're checking in early, you can check in and get use your room key as your unlimited express pass. So you have it for all day the day you check in and all day the day you check out, as long as you have a theme park ticket. But there's also some bocce right behind me. There's a fun like a zero entry beach pool. Everything here is just fantastic. So again, I'm Kim with Getaway today, and thank you so much for watching.